On tonight's episode of How Not to Fucking Do Anything.
Yes.
We've learned that doing a prop shaft on the floor with no tools is wank. So that was hard work. I'm probably going to need doing it again in a month. MJ decided to test his jack and a window. They're not compatible or friends. So we have a sweep up an R6 please. And now we're making custom wooden windows. For all your sexual wooden needs. You know, we're not only builders. We can give you some custom tints. Welcome to another episode. Quality, look. You never know. 2 days got to take it all off so you can have the new window in. Custom tints.
Custom painted spoiler.
Had a little bit of a drive last night and the tyre was catching a lot more, so I just took the over fender off and yeah, this will be why. I'm just gonna get the grinder, I'm just gonna take it off all the way there and we should be good. Yeah boy! Catch now motherfucker. But, sort that out and then, boom. What cut wing? So this wasn't an episode, but it's kind of turning into a fucking episode with this thing. Obviously, I cut the arches out, took it out. I need to get some airline because Ellie's Golf had a leak. I should have probably recorded that, but changed a bit of the airline. That seems to be fine. It's holding there now. The car's still set up. It'd normally drop by now. So sorted that. But took this around the block and it suddenly has a weird noise. So I'll show you in a minute, but I'm guessing either I've broke the prop again or something's broken on the box. So we'll have a look. Right, so I've gone underneath and the BM has snapped the bolt again. The other end's still in, but I hope I can get it out with a nut. Oh shit. Maybe I can't. We'll have a look in a minute. But luckily the mount we fixed at Bug Jam, we bought this threaded bar. So hopefully I can cut some of this down. I should have some nuts and bolts and shit in here, so we can hopefully make something for now just to get it to work. Considering I've snapped this bolt now a few times, it looks like I'm potentially going to have to polybush the rear end and buy the fourth mount support. So, yeah, fun times. Supposed to have a daily that's reliable and it's far from it, so it is what it is. Give you guys a little perspective of my shit. I've cut the head off it now, that's the fucking mess. It's absolutely piss it down, you know, I have a fucking unit. But, you know, because my cars are fucking my cars, they never break when I'm at the fucking unit. They break when I'm at home and I can't even get them there. What a load of shit. Fucking wank. I rent a unit when every time your fucking car breaks, it's at home or somewhere else in the pissing down rain and it's undrivable, so you have to fix the shit in the rain anyway. Just to show you, it's not great, but I've got some threaded bar, nut and bolt each side, so the diff is now back on, as it should be. Thank fuck. Quick clean on the both today. Obviously this car needs a lot of work still. This needs bits, but do a little meet. I'll see what's there, get a couple of pictures and videos. They look alright.
The baby, come home. I need you to hold me, 'cause it's getting cold and it's getting stormy.